Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So morning when we are discussing one problem, okay, I think because of power failure, we are not able to continue, isn't it? One question we were discussing one question. Samya is explaining one question, isn't it? Samya? Hmm? Now continue, proceed. First you read the question. First you read that question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. In a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice, 150 as taking orange juice, and 75 as taking both. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice.
Okay. Give me the yes.
N of A equal to 100.
N of A. A is used for representing apple juice. N of A is 100.
N of O is 150.
N of O is 150.
N of A intersection O is 75.
N of A intersection O is 75.
N of U is 400.
N of U is 400. Okay. Okay, you are taking that as union, isn't it? Then what do you have to find?
N of A minus O.
N of A minus O. Is it like that, children? You please check it. Is it like this? Look at the question. What is asked? Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Find the number of students who are taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. That means if you are right, A minus
A
0.
union be the
U minus
A union be the whole dash.
Yes. U is someone is saying U minus A union B the whole dash. Yes, it is correct. A union B the whole dash. A union B will give those who are drinking apple juice or orange juice, isn't it? What about dash? Those who are not taking both. Those who are not taking both. Okay, so it will same as U minus A union B. Okay, it is not A minus O. So here, what do you have to find? N of A union B the whole dash. We want to find N of A union B the whole dash. This is what we want to find. So instead of B, here we use the alphabet O. So first find out what is N of A union O. What is N of A union O? It is N of A
175.
plus N of B minus N of A intersection O. So on simplifying, the answer is 175. Others, please check it. Jyoti, is it correct, Jyoti?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Wait and tell me that. Give me the answer.
Myself.
170 or 175?
175.
175. Therefore, what is N of A union O the whole dash, which will be same as N of U minus N of A union O. So which will be 400 minus 175. So this 400 minus 175.
225.
225. Jewel, are you getting this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is this? Roshan Jain. Okay. Hmm? Now, okay, one more formula you noted down, children. Okay, here today we learned the formula for two sets. If A and B are two sets, how to find the union, how to find the number of elements in the union. So like this, one more formula is there, three sets. Actually, last year's syllabus, it is deleted. Okay, with the three sets, it is deleted. Anyhow, note down the formula. When you go for entrance and all, you'll need that type. Okay, note down the formula there. Only the formula we are going to use, we are going to write, not the problems, because it is deleted. Note down the formula. If A, B, and C are finite sets, if A, B, and C are finite sets, if A, B, and C are finite sets, then N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Write down this form. Okay, N of A union B union C is N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. This is the formula for three sets. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. So write the next one. Okay, the next question and all. I'll give the question and I'll be calling one person to come and to explain that one. Okay, because we have completed the concept. Okay, now we are going to revise it. Okay, we have any doubts in this chapter? Any doubt? No doubt. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes, Satulya.
No doubt.
Okay. Okay. So when I give the problem, be ready for solving these questions. Write the first one. From the adjoining Venn diagram, from the adjoining Venn diagram, from the adjoining Venn diagram, determine the following sets. Determine the following sets.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
From the adjoining Venn diagram. From the adjoining Venn diagram, from the adjoining Venn diagram, find the following. From the adjoining Venn diagram, find the following. So Venn diagram is given. From the Venn diagram, we are going to write this A union B. Second one, A intersection B. Third one, A minus B. Fourth one,
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
okay, I'll write it on the board. From the adjoining figure, or you can write this from the figure. From the figure given below, determine the following. Determine the following. Determine the following. A, this is the set B, 2, 4, 5, 1, 7, 3, 0, 8, 6, 9. Determine the following. From the adjoining Venn diagram. From the Venn diagram, you determine the following.
Ma'am, can you show the
Oh,
slide?
1 second, I'm getting some sound. That's what I'm checking there. Okay. Yes, Align, give the answer, Align.
Five, six.
Yes, A union B is. Can you repeat?
Two, 4, 7, 3, 8, 0, 9, 5, 6.
1, 2, 4, 7, 3, 8, 0. 1, 2. Okay. Is it correct? Is it this answer, Align? Okay, voice is breaking. That's what I'm not able to hear it properly. Is it, look at the board, is it correct or any other number you included? Okay, and Mary, for the second one, what about A intersection B?
1 and 7.
1 and 7. Okay. Alan Joffe, A minus B. Alan Joffe,
2, 4.
2 and 4. Okay. Then Anashwarya, A intersection B the whole dash.
Ma'am, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Is it like this? A intersection B the whole dash. So I think You think 7 you will not get there, isn't it? Hmm?
I didn't say 7.
Ah, okay. So repeat it once again, give the answers.
0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
Okay. Okay, it's correct. Now write the next one. Write the next one. A and B are two sets. A and B are two sets such that n of A minus B, n of A minus B is 14 plus x. N of A minus B is 14 plus x. N of B minus A is equal to
Can you repeat?
A and B are two sets. A and B are two sets such that n of A minus B, n of A minus B is equal to 14 plus x. N of B minus A is equal to 3x. N of B minus A is equal to 3x. N of A intersection B is equal to x. N of A intersection B is equal to x. Draw a Venn diagram. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. If n of A is equal to n of B, it's continuation, the same question's continuation. If n of A is equal to n of B, find x and n of A union B. Find x and n of A union B. Okay, A and B are two sets such that n of A minus B is 14 plus x. N of B minus A is equal to 3x. N of A intersection B is x. N of A intersection B is x. Draw a Venn diagram. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. Okay, A and B are two sets such that n of A minus B is 14 plus x, n of B minus A is 3x, and n of A intersection B is x. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. If n of A is equal to n of B, if n of A is equal to n of B, find the value of x and n of A union B. Find the value of x and n of A union B. First, draw the Venn diagram. You have to represent this using Venn diagram. Two sets are there, A and B, and the number of elements are given there. So represent this using Venn diagram. Yes. I have drawn the Venn diagram. Yes. Mm. Yes, John Philip, show me the notebook. Just show. Yeah. Finished. Finished drawing. Ah. If it okay, just show it. Let me check. Just show it in front of the. Just where is John? I think he went. Yes, yes, John. X. Okay, x plus 14, 3x. Okay, yes, it is correct. What about the others? And Mary, can you show your notebook? And Mary, show your notebook. And Mary, show me the diagram. Draw the Venn. I think. Okay, but it's not clear. Somewhat okay. I can't read the numbers which is written there. Okay, Dia. Dia. Yes, correct. Yes. Okay, check whether you are drawn like this, whether you are drawing like this. Here it is 14 plus x, then here x, 3x, A, B. Just draw this one and just name it. Okay, so once you finish drawing, what is given here? N of A is equal to N of B. So what is N of A? And what about N of B? What about the number of elements in A? It is 14 plus x, isn't it? Equal to x plus 3x. A means the full thing we have to include. Is it correct, Anagha? Is it 14 plus x?
Yes, ma'am.
And B means it is x plus 3x. So when we add this, 14 plus 2x is equal to 4x. Now simplify and find out x. Once you find x, find out what is n of A union B. What is the value of x? Fahis, the value of x is? Fahis, value of x is? Yes, Fahis. Fahis, are you there? Hmm? What is the value of x?
Ma'am, 7.
7. X is 7. So if x is 7, what is the value of A union B? Jewel.
Ma'am, I didn't finish it. Just doing it.
Okay. Finish it and get ready. Be ready.
Ma'am, 56 answer.
56. No. How you have calculated? Tell me the steps.
Ma'am, I got the x and I substituted in A and B.
Okay. So
So A equal to 14 plus 2x, that is equal to 28.
14 plus 2x. Okay. Plus what about B?
B is 4x.
4x. Then
4 into 7.
okay. Then and you added this too.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the mistake. Okay. Why? You are counting this x twice. You are adding with A as well as with B. Okay. Or what you can do here, you can write this as 14 plus x plus 3x is correct. Okay. But here we added x along with A, and this intersection element we are counting twice. That's what your answer went wrong. If someone is giving the answer, correct answer. Who is it?
49.
49 is the correct answer. Alan, Jofi, check whether you are getting this answer.
49.
49. Okay, good. Okay, Joel, do you get my point here?
Yes, ma'am.
So in your textbook, you have questions with this 3 sets, but we are not doing that one. Okay, the next one. Finished? Hope you all completed. Okay, shall I move on to the next one? I'm going to change
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Okay, write the next one. A is equal to set of all x such that x is an odd integer. X is an odd integer. B is set of all x such that x is an even integer. X is an even integer. C is equal to set of all x. C is set of all x such that x is less than or equal to 5. X is less than or equal to 5. U is U is U is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. U is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Find A union B the whole dash. First one. A minus C. Third one. A intersection B union C. Fourth one. A minus B intersection C. Fifth one. A intersection C dash. Fifth one. A intersection C dash. Try this. Yes, children, please answer your attendance. You do this one. Okay, we can discuss this one after marking the attendance. Okay, the set theory is practical application. Nowadays, you can take this. Okay, nowadays you may sometimes, if it is board exam and all, you may get the question like, okay, A denotes set of all people taking vaccination. Okay, COVID, Covishield. Based on that, they may link. Okay, current situation. Based on this, you can. The question will be asked in that form also. A intersection B, A union B, and all. Ready? Finish? Yes. Tell me, what is A union B the whole dash? Mehrin. A union B the whole dash. Mehrin? Yes, 1 second. Yes, Mehrin.
0.
0. 0. How will you get 0? Check it. Is there any other answer? A union B the whole dash. The question is A union B the whole dash. How will you get 0? Whether 0 will be included in even integers or not? 0, is it an even number or not?
No.
Why? Zero? Is it even or not? Okay, you give the AP. Last year you have learned AP. Suppose I'm giving a decreasing AP. 4, 2, what is the next term?
0.
0. Okay, 0 is even. We include it in the even numbers. Okay. So what is the answer?
Null set.
Null set. Very good. This null set. Second one, what is A minus C? Naurin. What is A minus C?
Is it -1 -5?
Ah, okay. I expected this one. Why? X is given set of all odd integer, but look at the universal set. Universal set contains only those numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, isn't it? So we will not be able to take the negative numbers. Okay. Is it clear, children? That is why the question is given like this. X is an odd integer. Odd integer means we used to take -1, -3 and all. But look at the universal set. Universal set means it is the set containing all these things. So we will not take the negative numbers. Is it okay? Now, note the correction. So it will be the answer, Atulya. A minus C.
X is an odd integer such that X is greater than 5. No, 6, 7, 8, 7, 9.
7, 9 is the answer. 7 and 9. Are you getting this, Jyoti? Jyoti, is it the answer?
I'm not getting.
What is given here? Look at here. This is the universal set. Universal set means this is the big set. A, B, C are subsets. So in A, we will not write all odd integers. We will write only those integers which are given in U. So in A, we will get only these elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. In B, we will get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now is it okay, Jyoti? We are not taking the even numbers. So 2 is second one, answer is 7, 9. What about the third one, Shabari? A intersection B union C.
1, 3, 5.
Yes, it is set 1, 3, 5. And fourth one, A minus B intersection C. Navaneet. Navaneet is, Navaneet is present. Yes. Anaga, fourth one. Can you give the answer, fourth one?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Yes, correct, Anaga. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And the fifth one, A intersection C dash, is again 7, 9. A intersection C dash is 7, 9. Okay. So, children, go through this chapter, learn it well, and prepare for the test paper. And as those who are taking seminar, get ready for the seminar also in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.